Hello and welcome back to Initial Solution. In this video, I will show you how to fix Facebook account. So let's have a look now. If you are having trouble logging into your Facebook account from your Facebook app, make sure that you have the latest version of the Facebook app, or delete the app and then reinstall it. Or try logging in from a mobile browser such as Chrome. If you are still having trouble logging into your Facebook account, here are some things you can try. Recover your Facebook account using the Find Your Account page. Go to the Find Your Account page at facebook.com, login, identify, and follow the instructions. Make sure to use a computer or mobile phone that you have previously used to log in into your Facebook account. Search for the account you want to recover. You can search for your account by name, email addresses, or phone number. Then follow the on-screen steps to reset the password for your account. So that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Initial Solution. This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing, and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.